My name is Roy, this is Sebastian and Sienna, and we're from Australia. We've always supported the Palestinian people, and then we read a story on your founder, the doctor, and we read a story how he built Mercy, and we were so impressed, and that was our way to help support Palestinians, and we also support Indonesians, and we love the work, the volunteer work that Indonesians do. So we chose Mercy as the channel for our donation because we love Indonesia, and we love the work that you do, and that all Indonesians have supported Mercy, from the big banks, the big companies, right down to families and individuals, and that's our way of helping contribute to Mercy as well.